Welcome to a new concept in plant container design. Dr. Foster's plant containers provide a new and very simple way of planting to produce superb all-round displays using a wide variety of plants. Each planter comes in 3 parts which are clipped together to make a complete container. We're using the hanging basket version, which has a telescopic centre post instead of the traditional chains. The centre post is first fitted through the support tube moulded into the base section, and once in position the attachment hook is fitted. The next section is then clipped on by fitting the barb prongs onto the base section through the slots in the bottom of the middle section. Take care to ensure the planting holes are offset, and when all the prongs are in position, a firm push will lock them into position. When finished, the container looks smooth and elegant. It is 35 cm or 14 inches wide and 18 cm or 7 inches deep and holds 10 litres of compost. The wall or mounted post version fits onto a robust curved bracket which is prefixed into position. The plant basket is simply dropped onto the fitting post at the end of the bracket. First add a small quantity of compost together with fertiliser and water gel as required. Fill only to the draining holes. Take the first plant from its pot or tray and lay it into the container with the root ball on the inside and the foliage outside, fitting the stems carefully through the apertures so they are not damaged. Repeat this for the remaining 4 apertures. Now clip on the middle section, taking care that the stems are not pinched in the joints. Ensure the second layer of planting holes is offset from the base layer. Once the 2 parts are securely joined, firm the bottom layer plants into place and add more compost to cover the root balls. Once again, firm the compost so that all the plants are bedded in. If the compost is dry, it can be moistened at this point, but not saturated. Repeat the planting process for the second layer in just the same way as the first. Next, clip on the top layer, add more compost and firm in the second layer plants. Top up the container to within an inch or so of the rim before adding the top layer plants. These should be planted directly above the bottom layer plants, and an additional plant or 2 can be put in the centre if required. Once planting is complete, the basket is ready for immediate display. Extend the centre post and hang where required. Once in place, rotate the basket to the desired position and water well. You can purchase these plant containers from www.drfostersppc.co.uk.